Welcome to Java Forum. So in this video we are going to see how to compress the files and folders with password and create a password protected zip file in AlmaLinux 9 operating system in GUI mode. Okay, so I have opened the file explorer. So I am going to compress one directory. So I am going to compress this vbox underscore dependencies directory. So right click. So in context menu you can see the option called compress. Okay, so you can see in drop down many options are there. So I am going to select with the .zip with lock symbol. So this will have the option of giving the password. Okay, so .zip with lock symbol. Okay, so provide the password. So you can see that files and directories are get compressed. Okay, so zip file is created successfully with the password protection. So now I am going to copy this file and put it in different location. Okay, so now I am going to extract here. So right click extract here. So you can see it's asking for the password. Provide the password whatever is given. Okay, you can see that files are getting uncompressed. Yeah. Yes, you can see that files are uncompressed successfully. So this is the way you need to create the password protected zip file in AlmaLinux 9 operating system in GUI mode.